In this video, I'll quickly show you how to give someone access to your Klaviyo account so your team or clients can work with you smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. First, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the bottom left, click your profile icon and then select Settings. Inside Settings, go to Users. Here you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access. To add a new person, click Add New User. Now type in their email address carefully, since that's where Klaviyo will send the invite. You can also select their language preference if needed. Next, assign a role. Klaviyo offers different roles with specific permissions, such as admin, manager, analyst, or support. Choose the one that best fits the access you want them to have. Once you're done, click Add User. Klaviyo will send them an invitation email, and once they accept, they'll officially have access to your account. That's it. You've successfully added a new user in Klaviyo. Remember, always review user permissions regularly to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gear.